Hey you guys, so this is my hair freshly washed and conditioned. It doesn't have any product in it as of yet. I wanted to do a wash and go today, something I've been loving for the past several weeks. I've been wanting to try different styles that doesn't take as long as the twist outs and the braid outs and all that stuff. So I started doing wash and goes and I've been loving it so far. I've tried several different products together and unfortunately they always seem to flake on me, and I'm like, what is wrong with my hair? Like, why can't my hair take products without flaking? So I've tried this product, and this is the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel, and this has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. And I've tried this gel several times with other products, and it always flaked on me. And I'm like, I hate wasting products, whether it's makeup, food, or hair products. I hate wasting. So I'm like, it has to be a way for this product to work for me without it flaking. So I decided to try it by itself. And it worked beautifully. And the reason why I wasn't nervous about it drying my hair out trying a gel on its own is because it has olive oil, shea butter, and castor oil in it. So those are all moisturizing products. So I'm going to show you guys. Go ahead and start on the back of my hair, and I like to work in small sections because I do have thick hair, and working in big sections just does not work for my hair at all. And I'm going to make sure that it is detangled first, which is important. Also make sure that it is soaking wet. It is damp, but I want it to be really, really wet. Ooh. Put a towel here. So make sure that it is soaked first. And then I'm going to go in with the gel. You don't have to be stingy with this product because, like I said, it is moisturizing. So that was the back of my hair. Now I'm going to move on to the front. And you guys, by the way, the last time I did a wash and go on my channel, I was like 2 months post chop. So yeah, I had not even an inch of hair. I'm happy about not necessarily the growth, but the health of my hair. I had a relaxer for 20 plus years, so I had no idea what my hair looked like without a relaxer. So yeah, so I just sprayed my hair with water just now. And now I'm going to go ahead and take some of the gel. And also making sure that I get my roots as well. Because once my hair dries, it will get a little bit puffy. That's just, that's just the nature of the beast. That's just, the nature of having natural hair. So, and I welcome the frizziness and the puffiness. But I want to make sure that I get my roots so it won't be as frizzy. All right. So yeah, I really, really like this product. It really just like makes my curls pop so much. Very important to detangle. Detangle. Okay. Water and gel. Easy peasy. I can shake my hair now. Last section. Front of my hair doesn't coil like the rest of my hair does, so I do have to kind of coil it a little bit to help it out. There. Alright, so my hair is now completed. So before I go in with the blow dryer, I'm going to go ahead and shake my hair for a couple minutes just to separate my curls. And then go in with my blow dry hair and blow dry my hair. Alright, so I'm going to take a pick and ever so lightly get my roots, just a little, not too much. This is day 1 hair and I want it to last, so I'm not going to go too crazy with picking it or anything. Okay, I want to get at least 5 days out of this wash and go. And I just love like how every single curl is defined. Like, I just love this product, you guys. If you have type 4 hair, low porosity hair, similar to mine, I'm confident that this product will work for you. I just love the way my hair looks. And I don't have any flakage, you guys. And my hair looks nicely moisturized. It looks very juicy. Doesn't look dry at all. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't have, you know how sometimes you can have some type of gel product and it feels like slippery or sticky on your fingers after touching your hair? You don't feel that with this product. So yeah, and just look at the definition. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and tell me what is your favorite wash and go product that you love in your hair. Give this product a try. If you do, let me know how much you like it, and I hope it works for you, and I hope you love it just as much as I did. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos from me, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.